to cut the cake?
It's okay, I'll hold these.
Look at all this.
Ben, 10, 5, for me.
Irvin, you gonna step over that way for a minute? I'll bring the knife.
Let me see what you got. Whoa, who are they? Okay, Mommy will hand them to you or somebody so you don't have to keep getting up, okay?
Jojo, stop it.
I got her on camera doing that.
Whoa, Michael. You did walk in front of us? I had that knife
I told them to stay over there because you were bringing the knife in. Can you help? No. Irvin. What's with that big balloon? Say, excuse me, Grandma, right behind you.
It fell down, Sally, twice. It's the second one.
Oh, you didn't get another one? You let me help you a little. There you go. I just want to take the half off.
Look at JoJo.
I'm helping take the tape off. What's that? What is that? Hey, what are you talking? Who's that from?
That one, be careful because that's got a drawing.
That one, yeah, careful. We're saving the drawings on. Look at that. See that?
Each kid drew something.
Aww. You're welcome, John. Get up there. We're getting them.
Look at John John open presents. What do you get? It's John John's birthday. You tell him happy birthday. Wow, Batman. Batman. You said they were John John. Sean, hold on. Jojo, really? Rip it.
You want to give it to John John? You can.
Show everybody, John. Let everybody see. Jojo, give that to John.
Show everybody what you got. No, I did. That's why I put that there so nobody would hurt themselves.
Just a bat cover.
Joe wanted it, Jazz. Joe wanted to give him one. Oh. John, show everybody what you're getting, honey. They want to see what you're playing with.
John John, you can open one for him. Don't put it on the plate or on the cake. Drawing on it.
I've been getting pictures of her doing it. She just licks it and goes, just you know, the ice cream.
Did you find that watch, Arrow? No. Where is
When you
it?
had that, I was picking it
Take it out.
right in the hand with that blade.
Ooh, Nerf. Okay. Jojo wants to open one for you.
You see her shove that Nerf gun all the way over there? Like, what the heck is this?
I can.
She just wants to help a little, John.
Yeah.
Help you. She wants to see too.
Look at Joe helping him.
Pull it together. You'll rip it open. Let her pull inside. You pull the other. See? She helped.
Well, since Urban is lactose intolerant, he don't get no
That
ice
was
cream.
way better than the other one I got him.
That's what you guys
Is that your watch you wanted? I hope so. I looked everywhere.
That made me mad.
Is that it?
You don't get no ice cream?
I'm not even sure what it is to be.
It's just the same thing. Ultimatrix. It's Omnimatrix.
Didn't think about that, did you?
Mini. I got him the big one.
You'll
But
get
The
some
arm
ice cream.
brand.
Don't cry.
Oh, it's not on there. It's on his other box.
You made him cry, Bob.
Who?
Irvin.
He's crying?
He's lactose intolerant. He don't get no ice cream.
He's really not supposed to have it, Sally said. I mean, Alicia.
We do.
I know.
over ice.
Seriously, you shouldn't have said nothing though, but he's not supposed to have it, she said.
Of course you did. So.
Let him cry. Look at this hole she's dug.
Batman, more Batman.
Is it? Open it. Let me see.
Well, how do we know what you got?
Jojo, what are you doing? What is it?
I don't know what it is. I think it's more.
Turn it around.
Look at, see what it is.
Batman.
Who is that?
Joker.
Joker.
John John. Say happy birthday.
Here, I'll put it
John
in.
John. You want to give him a different one?
Give it to Aunt Sally.
Hey, Mom.
Go ahead, because that ties in with everything. John, here.
So that would be making.
But save this if you can.
Okay, let me open this part for you so you don't rip it.
Can Mommy get the top off?
Wait. Let me untape it.
More Batman.
This is the top, honey.
Wait. wait. Stop. Let me help.
Honey, Mommy wants to save this for you, okay? We're gonna save you your...
Jojo, stop for a minute. Jojo, stop.
Batman.
I'll just go out the kitchen and throw all these other lights in.
You want Batman?
Let me see your face, John. Look at Mamu. What did you get? What did you get?
Batman.
Look at
What is that?
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
That's crazy.
Batman. Okay.
Is that what you were wanting? Well, what do you say?
Thank you.
Look at Mamu.
That's what
John,
Huh?
look at Mamu. Hey,
Yeah.
what do you tell Mamu and Papa?
Thank you, Mama and Papa.
For is this what you always wanted?
Can I play with it too? Can I play with you? Can I play with you?
No.
Aw, you're mean. All right, you got more.
Here's some more, John.
You can play with it in a few minutes. Wow, that's cool. Let's put it up here.
You might want to help him. That's coats on top.
Pull it out. Wait.
He saw clothes
There's
and
something
runs.
bottom.
He sees the clothes and runs.
There's more than just clothes in there. There's toys hidden. Look at your coat Grandma got you.
Great.
Great.
Here's mine.
You missed the candy. Is it mine? You didn't get the candy out. Hold on, we gotta save the picture. Let me save the picture.
Great.
me see
Just
the picture.
great.
My candy. John don't want it. Oh, I want these bags. These are like grocery bags too. Let's take these to go grocery shopping.
That's what it's called. Go green.
No more candy for you. Let's see. Open it. There's more. And what else? And Scooby-Doo and the Spooky Swamp. Wow, is that what you just said, isn't it? What's it for? The Wii and what's that? I'm asking John.
Well, the cups could be for the.
Like I don't know what it's for. Wow, okay. Wow, you want to play those?
Really, Robert?
Jojo, don't play with it.
on your hours.
John, you got more?
Guys.
Too many more. Open it, open it, open it.
Oops.
Open it. What's that for?
Need more?
What's it do? Hold your games? Look at all those games. And the Pokies. Not yet. You should have gave it to me. I told you. You do that every year with something. John, there's more games.
John, there's more, honey. And Aunt Sally and TT.
Wow, what's that game? Standing on the stick first. Why y'all keep moving down? He's gotta get there. You watch out.
You're okay, honey.
I don't like cake. I don't like cake.
He doesn't eat cake.
You're getting a
He needs help.
That one? Rip it.
You had finished the.
Oh, who drew the green?
No, that's not bad, man.
That's his green lantern.
Green Lantern, John.
That's me.
Green Lantern.
Is that the one you wanted?
Who's that from? You tell him thank you.
Nito drew that for you.
Watch him. You're welcome. He's so happy about that.
Okay, here's another one.
See the here. You play with the little ones. Look them all. I got to open them first, and you get to look at all your toys again.
John, right here.
Get it open. Who's that?
Duck monkey.
Duck monkey.
Can I see you wear them?
Will you put them on for Grandma?
Hey, look what Nito's wearing. And what is that?
They don't have the spoons with their cakes.
Grandma.
Yeah. What?
Look at this straw. That's his straw. Look at those
Yeah.
teeth, though.
No.
You want to go get some?
I have to raise it up here.
Grandma.
Here, John.
Grandma.
Grandma,
Grandma.
Grandma,
Grandma.
Grandma,
Grandma.
Grandma,
Grandma.
Grandma, Grandma.
I wonder if I put this on YouTube, what they would call it.
Lee.
Lee.
It's all gone, yes. John, here's some more. Aunt Sally and TT. Oh, no way. Look at this. My goodness, look at the
Lego
intensity.
Star Wars.
What are they, stickers?
Yeah.
Wow, where are you going to put them on?
Yes, Sally saves all that, honey. Is that, turn around and what do you tell Aunt Sally? John, what do you tell
Hey,
Aunt
guys,
Sally?
listen to me for a minute.
John,
Everybody listen.
Bob,
All you kids have got names on the bottom of these cups.
Jazz.
That's your cup, okay?
Ice cream.
So when you come over to get ice
Jess,
cream,
Brent,
see
John,
what name you got on the bottom.
John, who is this? Rex?
Great job, Bob. Tell you.
Tell Aunt Sally. What do you say to Aunt Sally? She's right there, baby.
Thank you.
You gonna give her a hug?
Give her love. Oh, goodness.
Thank you, John.
Did you see the bag? Who's on the bag? Look on the bag, honey.
Card.
John.
That's the card.
Is it?
I didn't see that bag. It wouldn't fit the no. It wouldn't fit the present I got him.
Who is that on your bag? Yoda? Really? Thank you. Oh, no way. No way. What do you tell Aunt Titi? Go give her love.
Oh, you're welcome, John. Like it's a little Nerf gun. So you can shoot things with it. Not people.
Where's your Darth Vader helmet?
Oh, it's in his room.
Darth Vader and R.D. Rex. Or Han Solo, whoever's name is.
Which one's JoJo get to be?
Jojo, pick them up,
You guys
please.
have a blanket for them to sit on?
John, what do you say to everybody for the happy birthday?
Blanket they sit on in the
Yeah, they, Kiki, can you get the blanket, sweetie? She knows where it's at. Oh, thank you, John. Well,